ọkwadị mụ ife a Chukwu Okorie Ntaeze ọmụ ife a Chukwu Okorie Ntaeze tata ka ọ na-eme ụwa niile ya anụ ka o si adị ya ka m jisi ka m gbara chi m egwu maka na ihe ọ lụrụ n'ime ndụ m erika ihe nwata gbara n'ụzọ erika afụfụ m tara erika ihe anyị gabigara erika mụla my fellow commanders ifimpa anyị the triple general ada ma aka onye ma aka ya ejie ọmụ ife a Chukwu Okorie Ntaeze ka ala Biafra ozugbo ịbụọ the Major General in Biafra land. Biafrans rejoice. Start of 28 Eke Market 2026. Anyị abịago ka m kelego the Biafrans maka ndị contribute by prayer by ịga ọfọ ma ịkpọkwu ndị nna nna anyị ma ịkpọkwu ndị lụrụ ọgụ abụọ anyị zowe lụwa ọgụ a anyị abịaghị iche mgbe ibe anyị bịara ka anyị bịara unu nye anyị ha ruru anyị ka anyị lawa lekwe na ebubo lekwe unu bunch of liars. Nigeria is not a nation and it can never be a nation. It's a business center. But I really appreciate US, the real Donald Trump, the Prime Minister of Israel, Netanyahu, Munuoke, una son, Yeheluna. Nnamdi Kanu, naanị oge ka ọ ya egbu. Naanị oge ka ọ ya egbu. Ọmanta aka, iji agwụgo. Simon Ekpan, one and the only Prime Minister in Biafra nation. No shaking. Lenum ebubo, bo na ebubo. Omenala Igbo, o mee ka mara sị ebo ma ada egbu nwata, o eme m na-egbu nwata. O nwere onye m ji nke ya ahụ. Ọ nọkwa n'oge ọ nọrọ ofe ala anyị zọdoro okwu. Ọ bụrụ na ọ bụghị Biafra ka m bịara ịzọ, ọ bụrụ na ọ bụghị Biafra ka m na-alụ ọgụ ya, ma anọkwala ndụ wefe ala Biafra. Ana m ekwu ya all the time. Ọkwa mụ adịghị ya. Lekwa ya. Adịgo m healthy. I am out of the poison that I was ate by our people, by the governors, by the DSS. Don't worry. I am still coming up. By then I will refresh up. I will refresh up. Look at me. I'm not powerful. I'm able to. I am here today to debunk a lot. I will speak to Biafrans. Biafrans will hear from me. Yesterday, 27th, we spent ukwu Nnamdi Kanu. Whatever I'm going to Biafra or nothing. Biafra or nothing. Today, 28th January 2026. Eke Market. Here we are. Makelele the people of Akwa Ibom. Ekom Ekman. Etiko. Ogene Kenako. Ifade. Biafra were ife niile. Bye. Bunch of liars. Bunch of liars. You have killed Gentle. You have destroyed Gentle. You have because of you people gave us poison, and you people we are thinking that we all are dead. The major generals and our triple general is dead. But God will punish all of una. Una only know how we plan and we go to. Now all of una go fall inside this. Don't worry. I will speak to Biafrans. I will address Biafrans in an entire world for them to understand the kind of evil leaders. Though we don't have leaders in Igbo land. That's why the so-called leader doesn't want to talk, because all of them are under Fulani caliphs. If I have seen more Gentle, my life is not in your people's hand. My life is in the God's hand. And English Alahaji, listen and listen very carefully. Stay away from Biafran issue. Take off. Remove yourself from Biafran issue. Stay away from Biafran issue. Do you get that? Do you get that? You are just talking rubbish. Do you know how many Biafran soldiers, Biafran militaries, do you know Biafran civilians that these people have sucked their blood? And you are talking rubbish. Be careful. Be careful with Biafrans. Be careful. Base your own side. We are terrorists. We are terrorists are giving a guy name Boko Haram. Swamp. Security of Fulanis in Nigeria. We are which Nigeria? In Nigeria, nothing like Fulani in Nigeria. As a collude country, a collude nation that calls themselves a country. British colonial business center. British colonial business center. Who do you think that you people are deceiving? We don't belong to Nigeria. We are not in Nigeria. We are Biafrans and we belong to Biafrans. And Biafrans all alone. You see, this nation can never know peace or can never see peace except Biafra is free. Biafrans, this is time for you people to stand up. Stood up. Stand up. This is the hour. Stand up, Biafrans. Don't deceive online too much. Too much. And for you, Yejele, Udele, since everly I started this program, I started this struggle, I never mentioned your name. Udele that I was mentioning was second to Sapele, and since then I mentioned Udele, second of Sapele. Are you a second to Sapele? The second in command of Sapele, his name was Udele. Now you carry everything up head. You carry everything on your head. They pursue who is not after you. You see today, met you upon Ishigi. Here in camera and when I catch your follow leave. Met you upon Ishigi. Omo Gentle, the Yahoo. Before get met you upon Ishigi. Ada Jidi Kukulaka. Owo no juku won la war. Yemana mo ya won la war. Then so juku won la war. Ma won la war. You can go Ripo. You can go Ripo. Don't worry. About also, I go my fake pastor. Why your pastor in US? Bogo where Pastor Jovica. Jovica. This is aka John Yahoo. You see all those money that you people collected from Nigeria to fight against your own people. Today, from today, we now go pay back. It has happened. It's pure evidence. And this evidence is supposed to make the world, entire world, Biafra's Nigeria, the so-called Nigerians, shouldn't be listening to each and every one of you. Because you people are a bunch of liars. Carton of propagandas. This is Gentle the Yahoo. Huh? Thank God, we all are alive. We all are alive. All the whole commanders in Biafra, in 40 state of Biafra, we all alive. And we are upgraded. Yes, I will message Biafrans today. I will address Biafrans today. Let me dance finish. Ah, Biafrans, rejoice. Rejoice. I come in peace. I come in peace. I come in peace. Hope. Those of them, I didn't be say you listen to me. You see all those people surrendering you. They are your enemy. They are your enemies. Now, people have been moving around Okigwe as I am hearing that everywhere is calm. Hope has done it. What work have you done? Let the world hear it. Let my people hear it. I will address Biafrans today. Today, being 28, 2026, January, Eke Market. I will address Biafrans today. People will hear and understand. And thank God, my master, the triple general. Huh? He is still coming up today with me. We all are alive. We have been watching. You have seen? It has been a long we have been calling all of you. Let us come together. Let us come together. Togetherness we move. We achieve what we are looking for. You see, since we are in a sick bed, we have been listening and watching to see or to hear whether all those men you recruited, we perform, we do well. At least if we hear the news, we can be happy. They did nothing. They were just there eating, selling some material that we have been sending for them. I must talk up this time around, since you people don't have listening ear. We are here on the ground suffering, and you people are over there making money. Making your money because of your selfish interests, and you people are fighting each other. Thinking that it will work out for you people. It can never work out for you people. We all alive. The men on ground, we all are alive. We all are alive. All the whole major generals in 40 states of Biafra are alive. Including our master, the triple general. Yeah? Adamaka. We come in peace. Hope of them, we come in peace. Soludo, be warned. Soludo, be warned. Ask Hope how it is for him body. Ask Hope of them how it is for him body. You see this fight where you want start. You see this fight where you want start. Soludo, let me tell you the truth. As at 4 days ago that you people held the meeting at Enugu, we all are aware of it. Understand? Where a planning caliphate rose up and be telling you that there's no any tribe that can win Igbos except you use Igbo against Igbo. And this is what is happening today. I have been lamenting and crying over this. Now look at how Okigwe is calm. You see how Okigwe is calm. I am the one that did it. Not even Hope, not even anybody. I am the one that calmed it down. Ask questions, make investigation very proper. I calm it down. Understand? Huh? When Ediapono, Onye de Kache Guang, aka Ediapono, was deceiving the people, I was lamenting, shouting. See, look at what is happening, including with the Udele, Ozu, stupid human being that can never even stand. Can you stand any of my guy? Any of one of them? You can't even stand any of one of them. And you are ranting around making a noise. Why wouldn't you give location when you was at Owerri? Why playing the video after you might have left? After you have left back to Abuja, you play the video. Why can't you play the video when you was in Owerri? And make the video, give the location where you were, where you was. Stupid human being. Don't worry. My brother, you are not my brother, but let me call you my brother because it's Ribo. Man, I know you are a bastard. You are a son of the beach. You are a bastard. Abuja Keno. I know my Libo. Understand? I dare Alibo. Go and Ugu Hausa. Eben Nagishi. Flani man. Selfish idiot. You see all those on a plan, you people can never achieve it. Hence Biafra is concerned. You people can never achieve it. Mugus. Fuck all of Nadia. We come in peace. If you don't want peace, we give you people in peace. If you don't want pieces, we give you people in pieces. What a nonsense. What a fuck, man. Nonsense and stupid, hopeless, idiotic human beings. And for your information, all the whole military Biafran soldiers, take note from today, being 28th of January 2026, Eke Market. Eke Market. Listen and listen very carefully. Any Igbo man you see practicing or a full member of Muslim in Igbo land, no need of telling you what to do. But I am giving the order today by the power bestowed upon me through my master, Triple General. Dry, no waste time. He kill everything about the person. We don't have Igbo Muslim, and it can never work in Biafra land. You are not selfish. You people are talking rubbish. Propaganda everywhere. Throwing allegation on us. Now I want to ask you people more question. You people are calling us terrorists. How many churches have we burnt down? How many churches have we sent ablaze? How many church members, church followers, church goers have we adopted? How many schools have we sent ablaze? How many schools attendants have we adopted? How many kidnappers have we done? Rubbish and selfish, idiotic people. You see Biafra, I told you people. Oh, that no Biafra come there is a man on the Wafala Biafra. Man, hence, I come docha. The bomber de Bunwata. Oh, a memory Bunwata. The prune lila Gurumolua. Unlila Gura Lulu. Wapatarobia Ezo, Muro when Kala Biafra. Unlila Adabali Molua, and all right, Richun Nila. Obacha Bokanumba, come on the edge there. What will hello, Mumma? Oh, come on, here. Oh, my fight to Quaco and Taza. I have come up today and I will still address Biafrans. Today I will address Biafrans. The entire world will hear from me. The entire world will hear from me. And after addressing Biafrans today, I will not go far. Then I will come back again. I will come back again to address Biafrans in a full time. In a way that everyone will understand what is happening and how we are suffering today in Biafra land.